Beyond carrying a beautiful and broad collection of high-quality silicone beads, you'll love shopping with Cara Co for yet another reason: our very own line of Cara Originals. We hand sketch, brainstorm, design, and produce our own line of silicone beads and products. These products are unique to us, lovingly created to give you amazing products to craft with. Our team is passionate about producing the highest quality products for our customer community. You can count on our originals being intricate in design, unique to our brand, and always safety and quality tested. You'll find a broad selection of products in our Cara Originals collection, from gorgeous focal beads to versatile and stylish infinity wristlets, all proudly exclusive to Cara Co. We care about curating a beautiful shopping experience for you, and Cara Originals is our promise in action to always be looking for and designing unique and beautiful products for you.